Welcome to YayPricing, your go-to channel for everything WooCommerce tips, tricks, and tutorials to grow your online store. In this video, I'll show you how to display a sale countdown in WooCommerce, step by step.
If you need a simple method, use the YayPricing plugin. The countdown timer option only comes with the premium version of the plugin, but it is worth spending money on the Pro plugin. The first thing you need to do is configure some rules. It can be product, cart, or checkout. In our case, we have created a simple product campaign in the plugin. Now, you need to open the plugin settings. On the left-hand side, you can see the countdown timer options. Depends on the campaign you created, you can enable the countdown option and customize the content. A countdown timer can be displayed for product, cart, or checkout campaign. After saving the settings, you can check the product page from the front end. There, you can see the live countdown timer. Now, if you need to bring some more fun to your countdown timer, you can use the Brandy Blocks plugin. With Brandy Blocks, you can add a countdown timer wherever you need. Here is an example. We will be adding a countdown timer to one of our pages. Before that, ensure the Brandy Blocks plugin is activated. Now, search for the countdown block. Once you have found it, add it to the page. On the right-hand side, you can see the available configurations. You can choose the date, finalize the design, and so on. Once you are done with it, save or update the page. Next, check the page from the front end and you will see the live countdown. And that's it. Now you know how to display a sale countdown in WooCommerce. Do you know any other methods we can use for the same task? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WooCommerce tips. See you in the next video.